What's good, y'all? Today I'm going to show you how to play The Bright Morning Light by Allan Coe. Chords you're going to need is a C, a little F. You can play the bar chord if you want. I'm just showing you the little one. A G. And then there's going to be a key change, and you're going to need a D and an A. Alright? So, I'm just going to split it into sections. I'm going to show you your intro first, and then I'm going to show you the chorus, the verse, which is almost kind of like the intro. And then there's some lead-ins I'm going to show you, and then I'll show you the chorus, and then I think the key changes after that. But let me play some of it. Alright, so that was your intro, so let me go ahead and show you that first. So it's going to start on C, and you can strum it like I was. 5 down, down, up, 5 down, down, up. Or you can replace that bass note with the down strum if you don't want to hit it. So it'll either be this or this. The reason I'm hitting the bass notes is because of all these lead-ins, alright? But anyway, so that's your C. Then you're going to go to an F, and it's going to be the 4th string. Or, alright, then back to C. Alright, then right here you're going to go to a G, but you're going to lead right back to C. Alright, and all that is the 6th string, 3rd fret, open 5th string, 2nd fret, and then C. 5 down, down, up, and then you're going to do that lead in one more time before the verse starts. Alright, and then the verse will start right here on C. Alright, so now that I showed you that, let me do this intro one more time with it, and then I'll show you the verse. Hold on. Man, it's hard for me to catch the beginning. Hold up. F, C, G, C. Alright, so that was your intro. And then the verse starts right here. Let me just play along with it for you. Hold on. Alright, so that's your verse. You're just going to repeat what I just did one more time before the chorus. And what that is, you're going to start on C, F, C, G, 6 down, down, up, and then back to C. 5 down, down, up, and then you're going to do that lead in again. Alright, then you're just going to repeat what I just did again. Well, I don't know how many times. I'll do it in a second, but hold up. I forgot to take my other pick off of there. Alright, so I'm starting to get confused, so hold up. Let me see how many times. All right, here we go, verse. So actually that was 2 times I did that progression right there. So you're going to do it 2 more times before the chorus. All right, so I'm just going to keep going. Alright, so right there, hold on, it's a little different. So right there, right before the chorus, on that G when you go to it, right before the chorus, you're just going to go. So you're just going to lead back into that C instead of doing like you were doing. It'll make sense when you're playing with it. But after you go to that C, right before the chorus, you're going to lead to G like this. Alright, and all that is the 5th string, 3-2 open. Alright, on a C chord, like. My bad. Like that, alright? So let me back up a little bit and play the ending of this verse and show you what I'm talking about. Hold up. Going to play up until the chorus. C, F, C, C, chorus. Alright, see what I'm saying? So your chorus starts right here on G. Let me play it with it and then I'll show you. So that was your chorus right there. So when the chorus starts, you're going to start it on a G chord. 6, down, down, up 2 times. Then you're going to go to an F chord, the little F. You're going to hit it and mute the strings where he says, she's cheap and she's easy, but... Alright, but anyway, so when you get to the F, alright, then you're going to go. Alright, so all that is the 4th string, 3-2 open. Alright, like. Alright, then you're going to go to C. But she don't look half bad. Alright, then you're going to lead into G. I already showed you that one. Alright, then lead back into C. Alright, C. F, C, alright, and then right here's a little solo part, and I forgot to see what happens there, but hold up. Alright, hold up. Alright, so I'm going to back it up and I'm going to play the whole chorus, including that little guitar solo part, which is after the chorus. All it is kind of like you were doing in the intro, just C, F, C, G. Alright, but let me just play with it. Chorus, G, F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C, solo, F, C, G, C. Alright, so you'll do that lead in right there like I just did 2 times before your next verse starts. And you know how to do this verse, it's just like the other ones. But I'm just going to play along just in case there's something different. Man, it's hard to talk with this in my ear. Hold up. Key change. I'm just kind of refreshing my memory. Alright, let me back it up. Alright, so let me explain it. So your key change is going to happen right here after that verse, after your first chorus. And it's going to start on a D, but when it happens, you're going to be on a C chord. Alright, and then you're going to, from this C chord, the key change is fixing to happen, you're going to lead into the D chord. So what you're going to do is, you're going to hit the open 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th fret, that was the 5th string, and then go to D. 4 down, down, up. Alright, so I'm going to back it up and do this little, do what I just showed you with it so it'll kind of make more sense. I think it's right here. Yeah, it was. Hold on. Right here. D. G. D. A. D. D. Anyway, so let me show you these lead-ins real quick. Alright, so when the key change happens, you're going to be on a C. I wish I could show y'all with it, man. It'd probably make more sense. But, so you're going to be on a C when it happens. Alright, then you're going to lead into the D for the key change. On the 5th string, open, 2 and 4. Alright, then the key change, It's basically the same progression what you have been doing. You're just replacing the C with a D, the G with the A, and the F with the G, all right? But it'll be like D, G, D, A, D. Alright, and then you'll lead into that D from like this, open 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Alright, then back to D, G, D, A, D. Alright, I'm just kind of talking you through it, and then I'm going to do it with it and call out the chords. But so and then when the chorus happens during this key change, you're going to lead into the A coming from the D. Alright, and that's just the open 4th string, 5th string, 4th fret, 2nd fret, and then the chorus will start on A. G. You're hitting that G like you did in the F in the first chorus. Alright, then you're going to go to D. Then A. D. Alright, it's pretty easy really. I'm just kind of talking you through it. But let me just play it with it, and that'll be it. I know it probably is confusing since y'all can't see where I'm at on here, but hold on, let me find it. Right here. D, G, D, A, D, D, G, D, A, D, A, chorus, G, D, A, D, G, D, A, D. Alright, and that was the end of the song right there. The song ends on D. But let me back up. I'm going to try to figure out this lead in coming from the G real quick. Hold up. Dang, I can't figure it out. Hold up. I got it. Alright, so during the chorus, during the key change, after you go to that G and hit it, she's cheap. Alright, then the next chord is going to be a D. This is during the chorus part. You're just going to go. Alright, so that's the 6th string, 3, 2, open. Then you're going to go to D. so let me just play it with it now that I showed you that until the end of the song. I'm just going to start at this chorus real quick. Right here. A, G, D, A, D, G, D, A, end of the song, D. Man, I'm sorry, but it's hard to talk with that in my ear. But anyway, so if y'all have any questions, just let me know. Till next time, gone.